Welcome back to Captain Kurt's Garage. Promised you I'd do a better video. I've got my camera out now. This thing's supposed to be 4K. It's a little old, so it'll cheapo off of Amazon. Hopefully it does a pretty good job. What we're doing today is looking at the welds here. I was a little bit iffy of doing this with a flux core, but I guess people said they've done it and they had no problems. This is my first ever weld. Just a welding beginner, but it seems pretty damn solid. I mean, actually doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look all boogered up. As bad as some welds I've seen. Got, whoops. What the heck is that? Oh, looks like the wheel off of something. Alright. Hard to tell. As you can tell, I am a slob. Hopefully I get this welding done on this rear end, and then I'm going to be picking some of these tools up because I have stuff everywhere. We've got the one side welded on here. I might do another pass over top of that, a little higher up. But I want to get this side at least tacked in place so it's not going to move, get knocked off of there. Trying to think of a spot where I can set this where you can get a view of this. But I'm going to try and I'm going to use my level to make sure I get that the same angle as close as I can. I've got two lines drawn, a center line lengthwise and a center line vertically, and I've got an X on there where I kind of to get it in my measurements because these had to be moved in. Hopefully I've got it in the ballpark there to use the spring relocation kit. I can show you that real fast. Look, yeah, that's my mess. Just to let everybody know, Captain Kurt is a slob. There's basically the spring relocation kit. Get this off of Dr. Diff. And the way this works is this bolts in where your normal front shock hanger goes, spring hanger goes, and then you see it's kind of offset, so it moves the spring inboard. It's supposed to be, it says about 1.25 inches. So I just have to bolt these in. Of course, unbolt all the old stuff. I think I used some of my hardware when I put these new springs in, so I'll probably be reusing some of that. Mr. Bones, he's no help. He's lazy. But I'm going to try and get this ground on here and get this one as close to the same angle as this one on the right here as I navigate the minefield. But this is how I'm pretty much doing it. I'm putting it in the middle, and you can see where my little bubble's at. It's like an eighth of the bubbles heading that way. So put that on here. And we got, put it in the middle here. And that's pretty dang close, I would say. Let's see. Make sure we ain't got our measurements off here. This is how I'm doing this line of sight here. And X marks the spot. Put this back on here. See, just barely moving that. Let's see, wait. Shit. Alright, well, I'm going to have to put you all down and pause you for a second.